allegedly kissed the child on the cheek and told him, "I love you."
You came for the complaint, right? They were there. They are there. The young kid, right? Yes. Oh, yeah.
She just wants to talk to be far away from her son because her son is his kid. I want to go with her. Hi.
Oh, man.
Thank you for coming. We were waiting quite a while.
Yes, ma'am.
You caught us right at shift change.
Okay, so my son's 9 years old. He went to the men's bathroom by himself. In the bathroom, a grown man came up to him, kissed him. He absolutely did not. He said he did not talk to the man. He didn't ask the man to do this. He said the man was behaving very strangely. Fortunately, he told us when he came out. I couldn't go with him to the bathroom because I'm a woman and my husband was buying food. Anyway, so I just feel like even if I was standing outside the door as a mother, you know, this happened inside the bathroom. Strangely, crying a lot. I tried to get as much of a description as I could, but every time I asked him a question, he's very distraught. Yeah, because he can see that I'm having a big reaction, and he's confused. And all he said is the man is basically Caucasian, but has slightly darker skin, like our color skin, but he's not Asian.
Okay.
He had a beard. Couldn't tell how tall the man is. I said, was he taller than daddy? Was he shorter than daddy? He said he doesn't know. I said, was he older, younger? He didn't know, and he was wearing gray. That's all I have. I don't know how to talk to my son. He doesn't want to talk about anything right now. I mean, we don't even live in America, so I just feel like I'm American, but we live abroad, and it's just really sad because, you know, my son hasn't been to America in years, and he came to visit grandma for Christmas. And anyway, I think it's probably too late to find the man, and I think my son's really uncomfortable giving a more detailed description. I don't think he wants to think about it or talk about it right now. I can try in a few days, but I don't even know. I mean, it's just strange. I don't think he had any interaction with this man up until that moment. Fortunately, he didn't kiss him in an intimate place. It was on his face. But he just was so surprised. She was mostly shocked. She's like, trying to ask me, like, why did he do? And then he said, in addition to kissing him, I don't know. He didn't give any specific, but he said the man was behaving strangely.
Okay. So about how long was he in the restroom for?
It's very short. 5 minutes. He was pooing. Yeah, so it was when he came out. Yeah.
Okay. And so he told you right when?
As soon as he came out, he told his dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Told his dad.
His dad's holding him right now on his lap and comforting him. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm probably going to need to speak to dad as well.
You were just chatting with my wife?
Yes.
What happened with my son?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You're Warren?
Yes.
Okay, Warren. So she told us that when your son came out of the restroom, he spoke to you directly, right?
Yes.
And like, well, what exactly did he tell you?
He said that he was in the bathroom, and then when he went to go into the stall, someone asked, "Are you in here to pee or poo or something like that?" He went in, and when he came out, the person came over and kissed him on the cheek and said, "I love you," and then he ran out.
And he does not know who this person is, right?
No, I mean we were just passing through the airport. We were just here for a layover.
Got it. So you didn't come with
Yeah.
anybody or anything. Okay. All right. So what we'd like to do is, you know, what I'm saying we'd like, you know, so we'd like to speak to your son. You know,
Yeah.
what I'm saying, try to see if we can get some more information from him.
Yeah.
If that's okay with you.
Unfortunately, he's quite upset. Like that he was crying afterwards and stuff, and he doesn't really want to talk about it right now.
Yeah.
So I would prefer not to.
I get you.
And so I think my goal was just this shouldn't happen, and if we don't say something, like no one will like. I don't know if you'll be able to find the person, work on cameras, but at least if you're aware that this is happening, and it'll, you know, you can keep an eye out, or you could look around or something. We just wanted to at the very least report it.
Yeah.
But I think we're a bit uncomfortable at the moment given the state.
We have a suspect,
Okay,
a photograph of somebody that could potentially be a suspect,
I see.
but we really need a good description.
Okay.
You know, if we can get a good description, then we can say yes, and then that gives us something to go off of. And if we can use the cameras and find this guy that's still in here.
Okay. Can you give me a minute just to chat to him and see how he's going, and then come back to you? I need
Sure.
to first be mindful of him,
Sure.
but
no problem.
I'll come back in a minute. Is that okay?
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, John.
This is Sydney. He's really uncomfortable speaking to you guys, so he may not say anything. But I thought I'd at least bring him over so you see him. He said it was definitely gray on top, not like a dark gray. Okay. Okay. All right. You don't have. Okay. You don't want to. If you want to say something,
Hey man,
you
what's
can.
going on?
Okay.
Come on, my name is Officer Charlie with the airport police. Okay. So, listen, okay, so you're not in any trouble or anything like that. We're just trying to get some more information, okay, about what exactly happened. Okay, I promise you, you're not in trouble or anything like that. You did the right thing, okay? I'm speaking of exactly. So can you tell me, so when you went from right, like what exactly happened when you walked in?
So I walked in, I was going to the toilet, I was doing a poo.
Uh huh.
When I walked into the store, when I was closing the door, he opened it and asked me if I was going to pee. Because I didn't thought I was girl.
Welcome to
I told him I was
American
going to pee.
Flight
And when I was
6267 service to Colorado Springs.
I
Here
came
at
outside, and
822.
then
Before
I
we
didn't
start
remember
boarding, we
him,
would
and
like
he
to
just
share a
kissed
few
me and said
helpful
he loved me.
reminders.
And
You
then
are
I just
permitted
walked to,
one
I just washed
carry-on
my hands
bag
and then
and
walked
one
away.
small personal item that fits under the seat in front
Okay,
of
do you
you.
remember what he was wearing?
Before
by
you
any
join the
chance?
line,
He was
please make
wearing
sure
like
that
a
your
grey
bag
shirt.
is
I
there
don't
is a
remember.
duffel
A
bag
gray
you
shirt?
only have
Do you
two
remember if he was
items.
tall? If he was short?
Remember, your carry-on
He had like short hair, and it wasn't bald, he had pretty short hair.
Okay.
And like a beard, but it was very short.
And he wasn't fat or thin, right?
on your boarding pass, you'll find your
Medium?
phone.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want to get a sticker for Tazzy? And do you want to see if you can get a sticker for Tazzy?
Get you a sticker.
We have two siblings.
Oh yeah, nice.
Okay. Thank you, guys. All right, I'll send my husband back. Yeah.
Okay,
If
yeah,
you,
sure.
if you, if, yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
talk.
That's okay. All right. So from here, right, what's gonna happen is we're gonna generate a report. 'Cause this is a crime that happened.
Yeah, right. Should be.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate a report, and then after that, the detectives are gonna follow up
Okay.
on this. So they may contact you,
Okay.
you know, whether it's now or later,
Yep.
or whenever the case is. Okay.
Yep.
Shutter. There's a janitor in there mopping the floor, gray shirt, white gloves.
All right, cool, man. I'll go over there and talk. What's up, man? Hey, man. All right, so let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Was there a young child that came in?
Okay, it was a young child, and then that's it. And then that's what I did. I did do nothing else. And then also I asked them,
Relax, man.
okay,
Calm.
that's what I asked them. Are you gonna take a pee? And so he said she's gonna take a poo, and then I leave her alone, and that's it. And then after that, when she comes out, I give her a kiss, and that's it. And I don't do anything else. I continue with my job.
Okay.
That's it. That's all I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working, and my bed.
So okay, let me ask you this: Did you
Okay.
kiss him on the cheek?
That's a chick. That's it. Yes, sir. Yes, that's a chick only.
Why?
Oh, that's all. Just like like something like a friendship, and that's it. And then that's all. And that's all.
We're gonna be at the men's restroom across from that 88.
That's all. And then I don't do anything else.
Okay, but you said why?
I said why?
Yeah.
I thought it was like something like a friendship, and that's all. And then that's all. I don't do anything else. That's all I do. Sir.
Okay. Okay.
Anything else?
Just hang right there for me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hey, man. So I just want to let you know, we went back to the restroom and made contact with the janitor. And so he said that he admitted to kissing the boy. Okay, I'll send you a picture of his. Yes, and then after that, we'll hook him up. All right, so hold on for me 1 second, man. Okay.
Okay. Hello.
No, hey. No, hey, man. Let me take a picture of your badge, man. Put your arms down. All right, man. Do me a favor. Stand up.
Okay, sir.
I'm gonna turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
I have my backpack downstairs.
Okay, that's fine, man. Once you go up against this wall, spread your feet from me, okay? All right, sir. Do me a favor. Stand up.
Yes, sir. Can you raise me up, please? I can.
All we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around the corner right over there, okay?
Okay.
So look,
Okay,
You're
sir.
going to be issued 2 citations, okay? It's going to be one for simple assault and the other one's going to be for disorderly conduct, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you just sign right here. It's not going to be a admission of guilt, okay? It just shows that you're going to take care of the
So
ticket.
how much is the, how much would it
I'm
be?
not sure. You're going to have to contact the courts for that, okay? The information for that's going to be on the citation. All right. So now listen, okay? You're going to be under arrest for those, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is the copy of the tickets, okay? It's going to be inside your property, all right?
So real quick, just so we explain, it's like arrest, okay? You're
Yeah.
being taken down to our facility, so you can take care of those citations tonight, okay?
Okay.
So you might be able to get out tonight. You'll just have to talk once if you have the means to take care of that.
So we're going to walk to the back of my car right over here. All right. We're going to have a step in.
Yes.
Yep. Have a seat.
Yes.
Yep. Careful.